Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Have you switched from an Android phone to an iPhone? Today, we will show you how to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Move to iOS. If you have just switched to an iPhone, this method is particularly useful for iPhones that have not yet been activated. First, download the Move to iOS app on your Android phone. Apple developed this app specifically for those who wish to transition from an Android device to the Apple ecosystem. Ensure the new iPhone is in the setup state. Both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and the battery is sufficiently charged. Then, go to the Apps and Data page and tap Move Data from Android. Open the Move to iOS app on the Android device and tap Continue. Please review the terms and conditions, and when prompted to enter a code, return to the iPhone's transfer screen. Then tap Continue. A code will be generated when transitioning from an Android device. Enter this code on your Android device to connect with your iPhone. On your Android device, select the data you wish to transfer, including photos. But note that you cannot choose specific photos. All photos on the Android device must be transferred to the new iPhone. The transfer time depends on the amount of data. Once completed, your Android phone will display the transfer complete screen. If your iPhone has already been activated, you may consider the next steps. Method 2. Using the Google Photos. This method is suitable for users who have already activated their iPhone. First, open the app, go to the Settings menu, select Photo Settings, and make sure the backup and sync options are activated. Once completed, your photos will be automatically uploaded to the cloud, and the time required depends on the amount of media being backed up. Next, pick up your iPhone. Search for Google Photos in the App Store and install it. Once the download is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Open Google and complete the setup, then sign in to your Google account. Please note that this account must be the same Google account you use on Android. After logging in successfully, navigate to the profile icon located at the top right and select Photo Settings, Backup and Sync. Activating this feature ensures that your images are available for download. The convenience of this method is that new photos are automatically uploaded to Google Photos on all devices. However, the drawback is that users are limited to 15 GB of free storage in Google Photos. If you need more space, you will need to pay a subscription fee to Google. Method 3. Using iCareFone. This is a tool specifically designed for managing and transferring iPhone data. This method allows selective transfer of photos, and with iCareFone, you can view them directly on your computer. The download link has been provided in the description section below. This method requires a computer, but it can transfer specific photos without overwriting existing data. First, connect your Android device to the computer and locate your device on the computer. Find the folder where the photos are stored. Select the photos you want to transfer. If you want to select all, press Ctrl and A to select them. Then copy them to a new, empty folder. Then switch to your iPhone, connect it to the computer, and launch iCareFone. Click Manage in the left menu, then select Import. Choose the file or folder to transfer. I chose a folder. In just a few seconds, the photos will be transferred to your iPhone. And that's it. Let's go back to the iPhone. The photos from the Android phone have been successfully transferred to the iPhone. Moreover, this method does not overwrite my previous data. This is today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow us. See you in the next video.